let's understand one of the most crucial steps in photosynthesis, the light reaction, also called the photochemical phase. This reaction takes place in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts and requires sunlight. It begins when light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll and other pigments, exciting electrons and triggering a chain of events. Here's what happens in a light reaction. First, photolysis of water. Light splits water molecules into hydrogen ions, electrons, and oxygen. The oxygen is released as a byproduct. Second, formation of ATP using the energy from excited electrons. ATP is synthesized through a process called photophosphorylation. Third, formation of NADPH. Electrons reduce NADP+ into NADPH, a high-energy molecule needed for the next phase, the Calvin cycle. Photophosphorylation, it is the process of forming ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate, Pi, using light energy during the light reaction of photosynthesis. These are of two types. 1. Cyclic photophosphorylation. 2. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. First we will discuss cyclic photophosphorylation. It involves only photosystem 1. The excited electron from PS1 is cycled back to the same photosystem. Only ATP is produced, no NADPH or oxygen is formed. It occurs when NADP+ is not available to accept electrons. It helps balance the ATP NADPH ratio seen in bacteria and plants under certain conditions. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, it involves both photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Electrons move in a linear path from water to NADP+. It produces ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. Water is split, process is known as photolysis, and releases electrons, protons, and oxygen. This is the main pathway during normal light reactions in green plants. Now we will discuss the path of electron flow. Electrons move from water to photosystem 2, through the electron transport chain, to photosystem 1, and finally to NADP+, forming NADPH. Here are some high-yield MCQs on light reaction. Question 1. The light reaction takes place in the A. Stroma, B. Nucleus, C. Cytoplasm, D. Thylakoid membrane. Correct answer is option D, thylakoid membrane. The light reaction of photosynthesis occurs in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts. This is where light energy is captured by pigments and used to produce ATP and NADPH. Question 2. What is the first step in the light reaction? A. Glucose formation, B. CO2 absorption, C. Light absorption by pigments, D. ATP breakdown. Correct answer is option C, light absorption by pigments. The first step of the light reaction is the absorption of light energy by chlorophyll and other pigments in the thylakoid membrane. This excites electrons and initiates the photochemical phase of photosynthesis. Question 3. Which photosystem is responsible for splitting water? A. PS1, B. PS2, C. Both, D. None. Correct answer is option B, PS2. Photosystem 2 is responsible for photolysis, the splitting of water molecules into electrons, protons, and oxygen. The electrons replace those lost by PS2 during light absorption. Question 4. What is released during photolysis of water? A. Glucose, B. Oxygen, C. NADPH, D. CO2. Correct answer is option B, oxygen. During photolysis of water, in photosystem 2, water molecules break down to release oxygen, protons, and electrons. The oxygen is released as a byproduct. Question 5. Final electron acceptor in non-cyclic photophosphorylation is A. Chlorophyll, B. Oxygen, C. NADP+, D. ADP. Correct answer is option C, NADP+. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the excited electrons from photosystem 1 are finally accepted by NADP+, reducing it to NADPH, which is then used in the Calvin cycle, also known as dark reaction. Question 6. The product of the light reaction used in the dark reaction is A. Glucose, B. CO2, C. NADPH, and ATP, D. Oxygen. Correct answer is option C, NADPH, and ATP. ATP provides energy, and NADPH provides reducing power for the Calvin cycle, where carbon dioxide is fixed into glucose. These molecules are direct products of the light reaction, which are used in dark reaction. Question 7. Which of the following is not a product of the light reaction? A. ATP, B. Oxygen, C. NADPH, D. Glucose. Correct answer is option D, glucose. Glucose is not formed during the light reaction. It is produced later, during the dark reaction, using the ATP and NADPH, generated in the light reaction. Question 8. Cyclic photophosphorylation involves APS1 only, BPS2 only, C both PS1 and PS2, D NADP plus reduction. Correct answer is option A, PS1 only. In cyclic photophosphorylation, only photosystem 1 is involved. Electrons cycle back to PS1 after passing through the electron transport chain, producing ATP only, without the formation of NADPH or oxygen. Question 9. In cyclic photophosphorylation, which is not produced? A ATP, B NADPH, C proton gradient, D electron transport. Correct answer is option B, NADPH. In the cyclic pathway, electrons return to PS1, so no NADPH is formed. NADPH is produced only in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, where electrons reduce NADP. Question 10. The Z scheme represents A Krebs cycle, B glycolysis, C non-cyclic electron flow, D Calvin cycle. Correct answer is option C, non-cyclic electron flow. The Z scheme is a graphical representation of the non-cyclic electron flow during the light reaction of photosynthesis. It shows the energy level of electrons as they move from photosystem 2 to ETC to photosystem 1 to NADP+, forming ATP and NADPH. The zigzag shape looks like the letter Z. Question 11. How many molecules of ATP are produced per water molecule split? A1, B2, C4, D6. Correct answer is option B, 2. The process of photophosphorylation, specifically non-cyclic photophosphorylation, involves the splitting of water to provide electrons for the electron transport chain, which in turn generates ATP. During non-cyclic electron transport in photosynthesis, 2 ATP molecules are produced for every molecule of water split. This is because the flow of electrons through the electron transport chain drives the pumping of protons, which creates a proton gradient. This proton gradient is then used by ATP synthase to produce ATP. Question 12. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the electrons lost from PS2 are replaced by A CO2, B ATP, C water, D PS1. Correct answer is option C water. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, electrons lost from photosystem 2 are replaced by electrons obtained from the photolysis of water. This process also releases oxygen and protons. Question 13. Which pigment is most important in the light reaction? A. Chlorophyll B, B. Carotene, C. Chlorophyll A, D. Xanthophyll. Correct answer is option C, chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is the primary pigment that directly participates in the light reaction by absorbing light energy and converting it into chemical energy, ATP and NADPH. Other pigments act as accessory pigments, aiding in light absorption. Question 14. What role does oxygen play in the light reaction? A accepts electrons, B is used to form NADPH, C is a byproduct, D forms glucose. Correct answer is option C, is a byproduct. Oxygen is released as a byproduct during the photolysis of water in the light reaction of photosynthesis. It does not play a direct role in ATP or NADPH formation. Question 15. The primary function of the light reaction is to A. Release oxygen, B. Produce glucose, C. Generate ATP and NADPH, D. Fix carbon dioxide. Correct answer is C. Generate ATP and NADPH. The main function of the light reaction is to convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. These are essential for driving the Calvin cycle, or dark reaction, where carbon fixation occurs. If you found this content helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, Biology Learning Space. You'll get more such contents. Thanks for watching.